Okay, let's start. Here we have 3 different styles of pellets. Probably if you have any air rifle or air gun or something, you will probably have one of these. These are made for low power, higher precision air rifles and pistols. I decided to do some testing on them, which will involve some very unconventional ways of testing. I'm actually going to test the hardness of the lead or the lead alloy that these pellets are made of. That's why I made this special device over here. Not this flashlight, but this device. This is how the device is assembled. It has the weight of 600 grams. This is a piece of brass, I think nickel or chrome plated. So this weight has roughly 600 grams. And what's that in libras? Actual pounds. I assume when I use 1 Newton meter of force to lift this weight, the gravity should respond in 1 joule of energy like this. I don't know if this is exactly 1 joule of energy because of the friction and other stuff, but let's say we have a consistent force that we will be testing each time on every other pellet. Here I have some fine adjustments of my height, so the testing will be consistent. I will use 5 of each sort for redundancy reasons, and I will not use if the pellet is visibly misformed. So here are some results here so you can see for yourself. So long. I will briefly show the weight of pellets, so if you're interested you can pause and check it out. This is just a cheap ordinary scale.